Okay, here's the fun part, actually printing. Make sure you line your paper up to your registration. You should have 4 marks to make it stay in the right spot. Close the screen. You're going to add the ink. Use your palette knife. Add the ink to the top where the tape is. You kind of make a line with it. And then you'll get your hard paper. You could also use cardboard piece. You just need something strong to be able to pull the ink through the screen. So what we have is a little bit harder than cardstock, but not as hard as cardboard. It's kind of like mat board. So you want to pull the screen. You don't want to have too much ink, and you don't want to have too little. So you kind of have to watch. You can sort of see through your screen. Pull it up. And carefully pull your paper. It should be stuck to your screen. Carefully pull it down. And here's your print. You can evaluate to see if there was too much ink or not enough ink. But put that to the side, grab another piece of paper, and you're ready to print. Now remember, your paper needs to be your final paper, so you want to make sure you always have a stack of it ready to go. Put the screen down, and you repeat the process of adding the ink to the top. Make sure it's a straight line, and then using the cardstock, heavy cardstock, or matting paper to add the ink and pull it through the screen. Now if you saw there, I kind of had a lot of ink, so I didn't add anymore. I'm just using what was there to try to pull it through the screen. You're going to problem solve as you work at this to try to see what's working or what's not working. You have to look at your prints and evaluate. Sometimes what's going to happen is it might not be an issue of too much ink or not enough ink. Sometimes the ink dries on the screen. So you have to think about that when you're evaluating your prints and how they're turning out. The more you do, the better information you'll have so that you can problem through some of these things. But printmaking is fun. I'm so excited for everyone to be able to do this. Print, print, print.